Wrong minister. He is under treatment in Goa Medical College, and I am monitoring it very closely. I spoke to him the other day also, because I think there was some confusion. Somebody was saying that he's being discharged and all. I told the doctors whatever treatment he requires to see, the government is committed to see that he gets all the care. I told the medical superintendent that he has to be properly looked after and taken care of. I have personally spoken to him, and he is under proper supervision of all the doctors.
सर तुवें रॉंग मिनिस्टरा विचारतो म्हणल्यार कोण रायट मिनिस्टर?
ना तशें म्हणून ना, तें मिस करून कित्याक म्हाका विशय एज हेल्थ मिनिस्टर तुवें विचारल्यार हांवें दिवप न्ही उत्तर. तूं एज हेल्थ मिनिस्टर तेजी तब्येत कशी आहा म्हणून विचारल्यार तें उत्तर हांवें दिवपाचें.
बरें, तो रामा काणकोणकराचो एसॉल्टाचें तूं कशें पळयता?
हांव कांय कोणाचें
ना, तूं समर्थन करता ताचें?
हांव कांयच कोणाचें कांयच उलयना. म्हाका फक्त हेल्थाचे संबंदीत तुमी विचारल्यार एज मिडिया म्हणून तूं विचारता प्रश्न हांवें उत्तर दिवपाक हांव शकता. तेजे फुडें
एसॉल्ट जाला ताका कशें पळयता तुमी?
कॉमन फ्युचर केसीस